Welcome to Nagesh Kurazgi Orchid School channel. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you grammar, English grammar of grade 3. Today we are going to cover the reading skill. Okay students, so in the previous episode we have completed our comprehension 1. Today we are going for 2. Okay students, so look at the screen. What is comprehension? You have to, the poem is there. The poem it is written by the Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay students, now this is the poem where as I am going to read this poem, you need to open the book, grammar book, page number 73. As I am going to read, just on look at the screen students. Okay, now first one, comprehension 2, page number 73. Look at the screen here. Read this poem about a cow and answer the questions that follow. As we have to read this poem and we have to answer the questions. Shall we start students? Yes. So can you get that? What is this? Cow. So it is, the poem is about the cow. So first line, the friendly cow, all red and white. Here the cow, the poet is telling about the cow. The cow is what it is? It will be in a 3 colors, isn't it? Brown color, red color, white color. So poet is telling that the cow is very friendly and of how many colors? Red and white color. So second line, I love with all my heart. So cow is loving the cow. Why with all? With heart. From heart is love the cow. Third line, she gives me cream with all her might. Dear children, now tell me, what does a cow give us? Yes, cow gives us milk. What you drink in the morning. From what you get? Cream. Yes, and what else we'll get? So many different things we get from the cow. So the poet is love cow because it gives him cream. Now next line, to eat with apple tart. So the poet is eating the apple tart. On that what he needs? Cream. With that cream. Now next line, she wanders loving here and there. Now here students, wanders means what here? The cow is moving here and there. The cow will stay at one place? No. In the search of grass, it will move here and there. And yet she cannot stray. Now stray is nothing but a aimless. What is searching? Cow is eating grass. He is in the search of grass. He is moving here and there. He is not finding. So it will wanders. Now all, next line, all in the pleasant open air. So in the cow is moving here and there in the open place. Next line, the pleasant light of day. In the day of light. In the day it is moving and blown by all the winds that pass. While it eating the grass, what it is passing? Wind, air is blowing and wet with all the showers. Now with all the flowers, as the wind blown, what happens? The leaves will blow here and there, isn't it? Next line, she walks among the meadow grass. Here, new students here, tell me, meadow is a new word that means a land with greenery. The land with a green grass. Wild flowers will be there. So here the cows love to eat. See on the screen also, can you see on that book, cow is eating here, isn't it? The grass. And eats the meadow flowers. While that eating, what happened here? The wind is blowing. So due to that, the cow gives him cream. So the poet loves the cow. It is very friendly. Okay, now students, you have understood? Yes, the poem, it is written by whom? The Robert Louis Stevenson. Now students, we have completed our poem. We have read this. So at home you need to read this poem 2 to 3 times. Okay students? Okay, now we'll go for exercise. What you'll do, some set of instructions I will give you. While reading, while you writing, you use pencil. Here, pencils. With pencil you need to write here. So first answer the following questions. Now I will read these questions, you need to answer. What was the color of the cow? In the poem, the poet is telling cow is in which color students? Yes, correct, that is red and white. So we will write here. You all take pencil, start writing students. With pencil, with write neat handwriting. Answer here. The starting letter should be capital. Here, the, T-H-E, the. Okay? I will waiting for you all students. And I give one finger space here and write cow. C-O-W, cow. The cow of which color? Wow. The cow was. Are you all writing students? Yes. Which color? The cow was red. Red spelling R-E-D. Red. And red and white. W-H-I-T-E. White. The cow was red and white in color. In color. C-O-L-O-U-R. After finishing the statement, what do you need to put? Full stop. Okay students? What is the color of the cow? The cow was red and white in color. I hope you all finished first one. So we will go for second question now. I am waiting for you all students. Go slowly and write with good neat handwriting. Now second. Why does the poet love her? Now student here, poet. Why poet love cow here? Why he loves? Because cow give him a cream. The cow gives cream. So need to write here. Say answer. The poet. Poet spelling P-O-E-T. Poet. The poet loves her. L-O-V-E-S. Loves her. H-E-R. Her. The poet loves her. Why he loves her? Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because students, I am going very slow. You write very neat, good handwriting. She gives, G-I-V-E-S, gives him what it gives? Cream. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. To eat with his cream. The poet loves her because she gives him cream to eat with his apple tart. A-P-P-L-E, apple small hyphen, tart, T-A-R-T, tart, full stop. Okay, as I have written very small, now if it is not in that, so you can write it here also, students. Okay, if it is not sufficient to you, you can go for second line here also, you can write it. Now we will go for third. You finished? Now again I will read for you all, students. See, why the poet loves cow? Because the poet loves her because she gives him cream to eat with his apple tart. Here apple tart in the sense of apple cake, in the pie, apple pie. So here you need to learn and write the spellings. Okay, here loves her because cream, apple tart. I hope you all finished. So we'll go for third question. Yes, where does the cow usually walk? You can tell answer. Yes, where it will walk? It will walk here and there. Yes, so the same answer we'll write here. The cow, see here, answer within the question only it is there. The cow usually walk. The same we will write here. Starting letter should be capital. The cow usually, from question only I am writing. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Usually, the cow usually walk. W-A-L-K, walk. What it walks? Here and there. H-E-R-E, here and there. T-H-E-R-E, full stop. The cow usually walks here and there. Okay, students, I'll wait for you all. Write neatly. Okay? See the spellings. The cow usually walks here and there. After that, keep full stop. Now, fourth question. What does the cow eat? You all tell this answer. You all know that. What does cow eat? Grass. Correct. So write the same answer here. So the cow eat. Here we will write here. Starting letter should be capital. The cow eats. Here eat is there, so it will not eat, it will eat. So the cow eats, as you need to write here. The cow eats the meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W, meadow. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R. Yes, flowers. I am writing very slow. You all need to write here. So, again once again I will read here. What does the cow eat? The cow eats the meadow flowers. After finishing, what you will write? Yes? Full stop. After finishing the answer, you need to put the full stop. It means you have finished that. So I hope you all finished, students. Shall we go for next section, that is B? Yes? I'll wait more 5 minutes. Copy down very neatly. Okay, we'll go for next. So I will wrap, students. Okay, fine. So we have finished A bit. We'll go for next now. That is B. Now B bit. underline the verbs. Here we need to one sentence they have given, so we need to underline the verbs in these lines from the poem. From the poem they have given the lines. So tell what is verb, students? Yes, we have completed a grammar now. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, correct? So tell me what is verb here? What is verb? Verb means action words. Okay, so from the poem they have given lines here. So what is the action here? So you need to underline. Okay, I will read the question 1. She gives me cream with all her might. So what is verb here? Now tell me what is the action? What they are giving? Yes, action, it giving, it gives. So we need to underline the gives. With the pencil you underline the verb. Gives, what here? They are giving cream. So what in here action it is? Gives. Verb is gives. So second question, she walks among the meadow grass. So what it is working here? What is working here? Walks, action. So the cow is eating the meadow grass. Why? How? It is walking. So it is a verb. Walks. I hope you all completed. We will go for next. So here, turn the page, students. Turn the page. Page number 74. You all have done? Yes. So first one, C. A we have completed, B also completed. Now we go for C1. So that is, find the words in the poem which mean the opposite of these words. In that poem we need to opposite words. We have to write. They have given here 4. We write here opposite. So first one is unfriendly. UN, unfriendly. FRIENDLY, unfriendly. What is the opposite of this unfriendly? It is friendly. Friendly, unfriendly. So we need to write here friendly. So when you cut this UN, what will come here? Friendly. So you write here FRIENDLY. Friend, unfriendly, friendly. So second question, night. Night. What is the opposite of night? Correct. Day. Night, day. What is the spelling of day? DAY. Night, day. Now go for third one, that is dry. DRY, dry. Dry means, what is the opposite of dry? Wet. Correct, students, you all know, very nice. Wet spelling WET. Wet. Dry, wet. Now fourth question, takes. TAKES. Takes means what we will take. What is the opposite of that? Gives. So what is the spelling? Gives. GIVE. We should write give or gives. Yes, obviously, because he has takes they have given. So we need to write here yes. Gives. Takes. Gives. I hope you all completed with me only, students. I'll wait. Okay, more 1 minute I'll wait for you all. Very neatly with my handwriting you have to write. I hope you all completed. Yes, very good. So shall we go for next? Okay, I hope you have completed. So I will rub first one, unfriendly, friendly, night, day, dry, wet, takes, gives. Opposites we have finished. So we will go for next, that is D bit. Okay, we have completed the C1. We will go for the D bit, that is write 4 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Now students, here we need to write the rhyming words. What is rhyming words, students? Here same sounds, and which should be from the poem. Okay, from the poem we need to take rhyming words and we will write here now. So shall we start? Okay, first one we will go for white. White spelling, students? Yes, W-H-I-T-E, white. So white rhyming may be so many other, but what is, students? From the poem you need to find out white rhyming word. So white rhyming word, it might be might. So M-I-G-H-T, might. White, might, same sound. So that is rhyming word. So we have finished here. I will wait for you students here. Okay, right. Now we will go for second. You are finished? Okay. Second one we can go for heart. So what is the spelling of heart? H-E-A-R-T, heart. Heart rhyming word, from the poem you need to search. Heart, apple, tart. So tart spelling T-A-R-T, tart. See, heart, tart, same rhyming word. So I'll wait for you students. Finished? Okay. Now third one we'll go for, and what else? There. So in the poem itself it is there, there, T-H-E-R-E, there. What will be rhyming? Yes, air. Very good students. A-I-R, air, there, air. Now I'll wait for you. The last question, that is fourth one, stray. S-T-R-A-Y, stray. What is the rhyming? Yes students, tell me. Stray, day. Very good. D-A-Y, day. So first again I will go read this. White, might, heart, tart, there, air, stray, day. You all finished? I'll wait for more few seconds. Write with good neat handwriting students. Okay. So we'll go for next E1, that is match the correct meanings with words from the poem. So take scale students. Okay, now don't write directly with the pencil. Okay, use scale, pencil and write here. Now first I will read here. What is the here matching you will have to do, and what it is means we have to find out. Now roams. Roam means what here students? Moving here and there, correct? Roaming in the class you will do no, the same. The roaming here, cow. So what you are seeing here? So I will read this one. You need to stick with. First one is stray, wet, might, wonders. So what is the correct answer? Yes, take pencil, scale and write. Yes, correct answer, wonders. So I am not having a scale, so I am doing with the, you all need take scale and do correctly. Okay students, roams, wonders. Finished? Okay, now second one, strength. Now what is the meaning of strength? Now I will again read here. Stray is there? No. Wet is there? No. Might is there? Yes. So use scale to draw. Okay students? Strength, might. So third one we'll go for it, to get lost. So what is this? Now two are remain here. So first one is stray and wet. What is stray meaning? Yes, you are all guessing correct. To get lost, stray. Now last one it is remain. So it is not. So to be covered with water. So last is option. So wet. Now, okay, finished students? So we'll go, are you all interested to go for animation? Yes? Okay. So first I'll rub this, we'll go for animation now. So learn the comprehension. So comprehension 2 will start.
The friendly cow red and white. I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lonely here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. And blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers, she walks among the meadow grass, and eats the meadow flowers.
Now we have finished it. Okay, what we have explained, it is all there here. Okay, now cow is eating here, tree, it is all shares. Okay, students, we have completed our comprehension. You have to learn this passage once and twice in your home. Okay, and you need to, in exams it may come different type of comprehension. What do you do, students? You have to learn that passage 2 times, 3 times, and you will get the answers within the passage only. Okay, students, and in what we have written, what we have studied, at all, answer the following, match the pairs and rhyming words. You all do it. Okay, students, bye bye.